Hello everybody, welcome. This is Colton. I'm building my IT career and I'm sharing everything that I learned to help you grow in yours. So let's jump right into today's assignment, which is Packet Tracer 1.4.7 Configure Router Interfaces. The objective of this assignment is to just configure the IPv4 and v6 addressing on the network and the devices. And we're going to verify that they are connected and that they can ping one another in their own VLAN or in their own area over here, so those devices can communicate and then communicate with the dual stack server. So we're going to start with the router 1 interfaces. Our password to get in is Cisco, and then class for privileged exec mode. We're going to go into these starting interfaces, G0/0. And put in the IP address 172.16.21, and the last octet is 128, being that it is a /25 network. I'm going to run a no shutdown to make sure that turns on this link, and this is an active interface. Okay, now the next one, same type of deal here. All right. And I do believe that, yep, the serial 0/0/0 is pre-configured, so we can skip past that part. Now, oh yeah, I need to make sure to run that no shutdown command. So that is no turned on, and we're gonna add the IPv4 addresses to our PCs here. Gotta make sure that is static. And last octet is 128. And being that these are IPv4, we do need to set the default gateway. Okay, move on to number 2. Default gateway on number 2 is 2129. So we can see we are now at 50% and our links are active. These devices will be tested later so we can verify their connectivity, but everything should be set up perfect. Okay, so same thing here, but as you guys see, this second network portion, this right half, is all IPv6. So on the router interfaces, there's no kind of default gateways, and we just have the link local default gateway for the IPv6 PCs. Okay, so first interface, we're going to do IPv6 address. It's the only difference. And same thing, no shutdown. Okay, so G0/1 is now set up. We go into this last one here. Okay, and this one has the IPv6 address and then it's link local. So there's a different command for that. It's not too different. I can show you guys. IPv6 address. So we just run the IPv6 address and then FE82, and at the end of this you're going to put in link local, and that is how you set that one. Okay, so we're good on router 2. Our interfaces are set up, as you can see. Now we just configure the PC IP addresses. It's going to be the second one down here, the IPv6 section. All right. Alrighty, same thing on this one. So we have now hit 100% completion on this assignment, and the only thing left to do is to make sure that the connectivity has been verified and that these PCs in their own sides can reach each other, and then the dual stack server. So we're gonna ping these real quick. Okay, so PC1 will be pinging PC2. Okay, we have a reply, and just now our dual stack server. We're going to use the IPv4 address, don't forget that. Okay, we got replies, so we've established that our left side now has connectivity between itself and our dual stack server. I'm just going to do the same thing for this other side here. Ping PC4. Yep, that is good. And we're going to ping this IPv6 address here below the dual stack server. Alrighty, so we are good. We have verified our connectivity, so now we know that this is set up correctly according to our table. And that concludes the assignment. If you guys have any kind of questions or any curiosities, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. And I would like to thank you guys for watching. It's a pleasure to be able to help everybody out. And if you're also working towards a career in IT, then make sure to stick around because this channel will help you level up fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. And I will see you in the next video.